In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set Chrome as the default browser. First thing is click on the start icon over here on the extreme left, and then click on settings, the second option here, the icon, and next you're going to click on apps. So apps over here, click on apps, and then you're going to see on the left side there are some options here. You can see these options, among which default app is part of them, and that's exactly what we're looking for. So we're going to click on default apps, and then on the right side now we can see some options of default apps. Now we go to the web browser and we click on this one. Right now it's set to, look at the web browser, it's set to Microsoft Edge. So we click on it to change it. We want to change the and put in Google Chrome instead. So we select Google Chrome. That's it. It's as simple as that. Google Chrome has become the default web browser. Hope you found this video helpful on how to set Google Chrome as default browser on your PC. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this which we put up every day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.